Hi everyone, my name is Eddy. Welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a vegan sushi with the tomatoes. Alright, let's get started. Alright, to start with tomato, I will peel this skin out. While we waiting the water boiling, so first thing need to do, just get a slightly cutting like a close. Okay, with the tomatoes. Okay, while the water boiling, so stand by yourself. Cold water on the side. Okay, there is the cold water, and the cold water is boiling. So now we put our tomato in. Okay, let's take about 2 minutes in the boiling water. All right, medium fire should be fine. Enough. So as you can see, the skin is already starting to separate in 2 minutes. So that is will be ready. Okay, heat off. Then take out straight into the cold water. Okay, if you have ice water, will be even better. Now we can start to peel our tomato skin off. It should be easy to peel out like this. Okay, now my tomato skin all off. Okay, now we bring our cutting board. Next thing I'm gonna do is cutting the tomatoes like that. But I will keep the skin for the sauce. Okay, this time I'm gonna cut 1/3 like this way. Okay. Let me open it to show you. Okay, and these parts is not eatable, so we just cut off. Then peel, just take all our seeds away. Okay, like this. Okay, that is one piece ready. Okay, let me finish all my rest of the tomato. Okay. Okay, and the seed like that, as I told you, I will going to use for sauce, so don't throw it away. Okay, all right, this is my last one. Okay, this is ready. Okay, all you need to do, just put these into my small juicer. All right, now what I'm going to add is just first, this is my soy sauce. Okay, don't need much, at about half tablespoon. And this is my mirin, also about half tablespoon, like that. And just about half teaspoon of the sugar. And now, today, my secret ingredient is this. This what I will call the Korean chili powder. Okay, Korean chili can easily get any local Chinese supermarket or Asian supermarket. If you don't have, or if you don't like too spicy, you can also replace this with the paprika. So all you need, just a tiny pinch. Okay, you don't want it too much because it's quite spicy, and I just want a little kick. All right. Okay, that's all you need. Then close up. Now let's go blender. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, then we move on the side. Okay, now get yourself a nice small pot. Just take out this. Now what I'm going to do is just reduction. Now I'm gonna reduce my juice and to become the sauce. Okay, what do we need? Just bring to the heat. Okay, it's take about I would like to say about less 5 minutes to reduction. When it started boiling, get yourself a whisk. Just keep it dirty because you don't want to burning on the edge. Okay, so just give the help whisk. Okay, beautiful. Okay, let me turn down the medium fire. Okay, now here I'm gonna sharing with you how to check the sauce is ready or not. So far, you see it's quite liquid. Okay, now let me show you how to check the sauce is ready or not. You just put a one plate, then use spoon, spread on, and you can see the sauce. You see the liquid still come back together. So which means it's not ready yet. Okay, now put it back, then we got the get the back concentrate more. It's very quick because there is not much. Alright, now you can see my sauce is almost done. Let me show you what it means the sauce is ready. Like this. Okay, now let me show you. See, just put down the middle and use your spoon. You see the liquid, it doesn't come back. Okay, now next what I'm going to do is to create the marinade. Okay, this is the water which we just boiling with the tomato. Okay, all we need to do is keep about this amount. I would like to say about half cup in here. All right. Then same thing. Put yourself soy sauce. Okay, soy sauce is key ingredient to make all the sushi. Okay, we don't need that much. Okay, I would like to use 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and this is the mirin. Okay, also 1 spoon, and this time give it some sugar. I would like to use 1.5 teaspoon. Okay, so this fine. Then we bring this to boiling. Okay, in the meantime, prepare yourself just tiny pieces of the combo. And the combo, all you need to do, just when you take out, just use the damp clothes, just wipe up. Just wipe out, you don't need to wash. Okay, just keep this dry. Now it's boiling. We turn off our heat and we add our combo. Okay, combo in, then let it cool down. Okay, while waiting for cool down, get yourself a nice container, and you can start to place our peel the skin tomato in to our container. Now my sauce is cooling down. All you need to do just pour all in and just try to get the balance, make sure all the tomato and soaking in the marinade. Alright, and now just let's cover the lid. Okay, and you don't want to use straight away because you need a time let it soak forever. So now I would strongly recommend you leave it in fridge for overnight. It will getting more nice flavor. Let me bring in this to show you. Okay, so then this is ready to serve for sushi. As you can see, beautiful. Okay, now I got beautiful. Let me show you. There's beautiful 2-piece in here. All right, now we're ready to make a sushi. Okay, if you want to know how to make a sushi rice, you can check my video. How to make a sushi rice. All right, there's a step by step, very clear. Okay, and always remember before we going to working on the sushi rice, make sure your hand is wet. Okay, and then won't be sticky. Okay, now we started making the nigiri sushi. If you want to know how to make a nigiri sushi, you can also check my other video how to make a nigiri sushi. All right, so all we need to do, just get a nice shape of the nigiri. Okay, now we plating and we're going to use our beautiful sauce. Let me show you a little trick for nice presentation. I'm place 1 tablespoon of the sauce on the plate. Then just use a spoon, swipe to the sauce. Now we can plate our nigiri sushi. Now the last thing, I'm going to garnish with some nori seaweed. Okay, what I'm going to do is just make a nori flake like this. Okay. Okay, nori flake like this. Let me show you. Okay, all you need to do just cut in a tiny flake piece like that. Okay. Okay, that's good. And you can just grab a little bit on there, then we garnish a little bit on the top. That is fine. Okay, sorry, my hand a little bit dry, and garnish a little bit on top. Okay, voila, ready. Okay, beautiful, simple, easy, nice, delicious. Cool. Right, this is my how to make a vegan sushi with tomatoes. Right. Cool. Thanks for watching. If you like, don't forget, click like and subscribe. I see you next time on Eddy's Kitchen.